watching this video, that means that you're interested in Jungle Paradise Freebies. You probably heard about it and you probably seen it as an easy way to make some extra cash. All right, so you probably want to know, is it legit? How much money can I make? Can I really get paid? And I'm about to answer all them questions for you right now. First of all, what is Jungle Paradise Freebies? It's one of them sites where it's like, you know, you can get paid for trying offers. Well, with this particular website, you can get paid for getting other people to try out different companies' products and services. All right. But to make that happen, to get to the point where you can earn money, you have to actually earn enough credit to be able to make money inviting other people. All right. So first of all, is this a legit way to earn some extra cash? Is Jungle Paradise Freebies legit? The answer is yes. How do I know? Because I actually signed up with Jungle Paradise Freebies maybe a year or two ago. So it's definitely legit. I earned my credit. I was actually able to refer other people to earn money from this site. So if you're wondering, like, can I really make money? Is it legit? Yes, you really can earn money, and it is pretty easy to do. Now, why you won't make money with this site? And this is something that I seen because I refer a lot of people and I see so many people not take advantage of this site. And here's why. When you join Jungle Paradise Freebies, all right, you have to follow the steps. I know a lot of people lazy. They don't want to do nothing. They just want to be able to click on a button and then money just fly into their PayPal. 99% of the stuff online when it comes to making money, you're going to have to do something, right? So if you want to be successful and want to start earning commissions from Jungle Paradise Freebies, when you sign up, tell yourself you're going to take 10 minutes out your day, 10 to 15 minutes max. And it's like, look, I'm about to set up Jungle Paradise Freebies account. I'm about to get set up. I'm about to get ready to start making money from this site. A lot of people, right? They click the link, they sign up, then they just go away. And then they're like, man, that didn't work. You damn right it didn't work, because you ain't do nothing, right? You gotta follow the steps getting your account set up. Once you're set up, you're good to go. You can start earning $40 to $50 commissions for every person you get to sign up with Jungle Paradise Freebies and they complete the proper amount of credit. Now the thing is, you keep saying, like, you hear me saying, oh, you got to get a credit, right? For you to be able to refer people and earn $40 to $50 commissions, which is easy money, right? You have to earn 1 credit. That's it. Not 5, not 10. You just need 1 credit. And the cool thing is about this site, they have several offers on this site that is worth 1 credit. So you could do 1 offer and now you're eligible to start earning referral commissions. It's that simple. So like me, when I signed up, I earned 1 credit just by opening an Aspirations debit card, right? It took me about 10 minutes to do. It's very, very easy to do. And it's actually an account. It's your account. You're going to open up an account with Aspirations. Super easy to do. Another site on there that is worth 1 credit is one called Unest. This is for those that want to start like a savings account for their kids. That's actually worth 1 credit and it's super easy to get set up. All right, and then if you can't find or don't want to do the offers that's worth 1 credit, then you could do 2 or 3 offers to equal 1 credit. They got sites on there like Acorns. I say Acorns, I think it's Acorn, but Stash, that's on there. I mean, they got a ton, right? So you basically get it. You just need 1 credit. Once you earn that credit, you're going to get access to your own affiliate link, your referral link. Once you have that link, it's good, you good to go, because every person you get to join Jungle Paradise Freebies, and they get their 1 credit, just like you did, you're going to get $50. It says 40, but they pay out $50. I don't know why, but you'll get $50. Just to be on the safe side, they might give you 40 now. I was getting 50 a year and a half ago, so I don't know. But you're definitely gonna get 40 to 50. So once you set up, just tell yourself, even at the $50, even if you got 4 people to join a week, 4 people to join to do an offer a week, that's an extra $200 you can be making a week. Extra cash, super easy. Why is it easy? Because the process to sign up is super easy. All the person has to do is earn credits. They just sign up. They're just trying offers. That's it. That's it. And like I said, why people won't or don't make money with this site is because they don't follow the steps. It's that simple. That simple. I got several people that I referred and they never took action, because you can see in your back office, you know, who took action. Then you get paid when people complete the offers, right? So I'm looking and I'm like, dang, all these people sign up and they ain't even making money. They ain't doing nothing. So here's the thing. In closing, don't sign up. Don't even, I got my link in the description, but don't even sign up. If you're not going to actually sign up and get your 1 credit, don't even waste your time, because you're not going to get any benefit from the site. If you're not going to actually take 10 minutes to set your site up and earn your 1 credit, it's a waste of time. But if you decide to do it and you get your 1 credit, once you get your referral link, start referring people, right? And you might be thinking, well, how am I going to refer people? Start with people you know, because this is easy money. Start with people you know. Send them you could even send a mass text to everybody, like in your phone, if you want, and tell them how easy it is to start generating instant money just by doing offers. You can message people, private message people on your Facebook, on your Instagram. And if you're, even if you ain't on YouTube and you never thought about it, make a YouTube video. Even if it's the only one on your account, make a YouTube video talking about how easy it is to earn $50 commissions over and over again, because it's actually real and people gonna respond to that. All right, so that's how you make money with Jungle Paradise Freebies. And I also showed you the only reason you won't make money is if you don't follow the setup steps. It's super, super easy. All right, so that's it. All right, sign up. The link is below. If you got any questions, leave them below and I'll try to help you out the best I can. But damn, this is easy. You don't even need my help for this.